If you've got Protrack Draft, you can set a group move in MINDA Live. Log into MINDA Live, click on Herd Management, then click on Groups. This will list all the groups we have set up in MINDA Live. There are different categories of groups: permanent, rules, and if we scroll down, pick your own. This is the one I want to draft for this example. Check Other to pick your own group. Just come across to the right, Actions, drop down, click Draft this group. Let's do a one-off draft. Draft left. Tomorrow. Let's draft in the AM. And let's give it a name. This is the name that will appear in Protrack. Here's a summary of everything we've just set up. Of course, you can change details if you got something wrong. Just confirm those details. Create schedule. It'll take a few minutes for that to be pushed down to the shed. Let's go and check to see if it's there. Okay, now we're back in Protrack. Let's go and see if that draft came through. Menu, Draft, under Scheduled Drafts. That's tomorrow, 16th of Jan 2020 in the AM. Check Other. They're going to go left, and it's showing me there's no individual animals, but there is a group in there, and we can change or edit that just like we normally do with drafts, or delete it. One last thing I want to show you is how you can draft a permanent group. It's a bit different to the rules and the pick your own. So let's go back to MINDA Live. So we're back in MINDA Live now. These permanent groups cannot be drafted. If we come across to Actions, there's no option to draft this as a group. However, if you copy it to a pick your own group, that'll take a snapshot of that group right now. If you copy it to a pick your own, you can then draft that pick your own group.